subscriber without not uploading video or short. How are you going to do? I'm going to show you all the tips that you're going to get 1000 subscriber without not uploading video or short. Why? Because if you came to my channel like now, if you come to my channel now, I'm talking to you, that this video, and any comment you see there to my video and you type like, I'm from Diamond Short, follow me back, I'm from Diamond, anyone who's going to comment here, follow his comment, and you tell me you're from Diamond Short, follow me back, and you leave a good comment, people that are going to start following you, and that is the way you are going to start getting subscribers without not uploading even one video. Try to check the person you know, like this person is a big YouTuber or is a famous, subscribe to him, notification bell. On the time he's going to upload any content, you're going to get notification that this person has uploaded a video. Be the first person to start comment. When you're going to comment, don't write like keep going or thank you. No, write something which people is going to make them to feel like what you are writing there, they are going to say like, wow, they are going to follow you. Like, guys, we have to gather here, new YouTuber, we have to do this. Just explain something concerning of that video, or something's making people to start checking, to come to you to check, like follow me guys, like that. When you write your big comment again, you add like, guys, follow me to my channel, this is my new account. On that time, people will start following without not having even one video, maybe short or long video, and people they will start following you, they will start subscribing to you, they will start commenting to your channel. Even you is going to shock like, how this thing happened? I didn't upload any video, I didn't do anything, but why this? Normally it's like that. Go to that big channel, you know, like this person, he got affluent like 1 million, 2 million, even 50,000, even 10,000. As long as he got people there, comment, write your comment with his video, talk whatever you can say anything you feel like this is nice, then leave your comment. Check after a few minutes, you're going to see like 10 people, 20 people, they give like and they follow you back to your channel to come to see what is there. On that time, you'll start getting subscribers, you start getting people to get attention to your channel, like what are you going to upload on future, what are you going to do to this channel. They want to start know like whatever you want to do to that channel, they want to be with you. That is the easy tip, guys, I'm going to tell you. If you see any big YouTuber or a famous person, he upload video, even if it's music, if it's normal tutorial video, if it's vlog video, subscribe his channel, open notification bell, straight away follow his channel. The time he's going to upload video, be the first person to comment. The first person, if you'll be the one who just commented his video, people they will follow your comment, true to your comment. Okay, sometimes you can get lucky, even if you write something very interesting, that person it might pin your comment. Okay, that person it might pin your comment, and that time you'll get a lot of people from there. Say something little bit, make people to feel like yes, you talk about this video, or you say about your feeling concerning to this channel, or you're engaging people to understand there was something behind you, so they want to know what's going to you, they want to come to see. So on that, when you start getting people, they will subscribe for you, they will come to you, they want to know about you, they want to see what you are going to give them. That is the tips that you start getting that. I know a lot of channel, many people, when you go to your channel, you start scrolling like this, you scroll up, you scroll up, you scroll up, you start see like comment 1,000 and 1,000 and 1,000 comments that just running like this. When you keep reading that comment, you are going to say like, wow, what happened with these people? Why they write this a lot of comment? What the aim of this comment? And you can see someone, he can write like a full paragraph, like someone who is going to write like a full book. But in that time, when you go to his comment, how many likes he got? Sometimes you can see like he got like 300,000 likes. I've seen, you can see some channel they go 50,000 likes, you can see they go 10,000 likes, you can see 2,000, 3,000, 1,000 people they comment and they give likes. They just change an idea from your comment, they will start talking about your comment on top of your comment, because of you are the one who create that attention of those people to comment to your comment, to leave their feedback on your comment. That time you will start getting people to start following you. You didn't upload anything, you didn't do anything, but only your comment will start bringing people. Your comment will start bringing people from this side to this side. But how are you going to do to start getting that people? You have to go to the comment of someone. When the first video, don't be the last, be the first. When his video came uploaded, then you are the first person comment. Your comment must be like, okay, you talk something, people even when they listen, they know yes, this is this. So I'm going to tell you guys, if you're new to me, go to this comment, guys, let us gather together. Everyone, any comment you see to this video, any comment, leave your feedback and tell that person follow me back. I'm going to allow everyone to write whatever you feel like you can write. Tell that person to follow you back, and that person he have to follow. From that time, you are going to see, you are going to get subscribers from there even you didn't expect to get to your channel. While you didn't upload any video, you didn't upload short, you didn't go live stream, you didn't do anything, but people will start following you. So that is new idea, guys. Let us see on this video. I'm going to see the change of that on this video, guys. Let us do together. We are going to go. Let us do now, guys. We are going to do now, and we are going to see how it's going to work to this video, guys. Let us change. Okay, see you next video, guys.